Experiencing charging issues with your right AirPod Pro 3? You're not alone. This is a common problem since their release in October 2024. The issue often stems from dirty charging contacts or misaligned pins in the case. Before seeking professional help, try these quick fixes. First, clean the gold contacts on the AirPod stem with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any earwax or debris. Next, inspect the charging pins inside the case for damage or if they are bent. If they are, gently clean the case pins with a dry microfiber cloth or a small brush. Finally, perform a reset by placing both AirPods in the case, closing the lid, waiting 30 seconds, and then reopening and holding the setup button on the back of the case until the light flashes. These steps resolve most minor charging glitches. If cleaning and resetting didn't work, there might be a deeper issue. Moisture or humidity can corrode the charging pins, especially in humid climates. Make sure to dry the case thoroughly. Note that bent pins are more likely to occur when dropping the case. While DIY pin straightening is risky, avoid it. Apple might offer a free case replacement if your AirPods Pro 3 are still under warranty, or if you have AppleCare. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics. For persistent hardware issues, the case itself might be defective. Be cautious of third-party repair scams and always verify authenticity. For long-term prevention, clean your AirPods and the charging case regularly to avoid buildup and potential charging failures.